Hello people, today's lesson is about precision cuts. How to cut your fruits and vegetables in nice and even pieces. Take a sharp knife and follow me. Let's start with cutting bell pepper in straight sticks. Wash all vegetables thoroughly and begin. Cut off both ends of the pepper. You can use it in another dish or stock. Cut through one side and while unfolding walls, trim off middle part with seeds and membrane. We have now one straight sheet that you can easily slice into sticks. Just what we were looking for. You can turn these sticks into diced pepper, but let's leave it for another time. And now we will cut the carrot into small dice. Firstly peel it, trim off top and tip, and if carrot is too long, cut it in 2 equal parts. Turn cylindrical carrot into rectangular by trimming off the sides. Those trimmings you can turn into soup, puree, or, add to the stock. We want our dice to be all identical. Then slice the carrot. We need to maintain thickness of 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter to get small dice in the end. Then cut carrot lengthwise into sticks, also keeping the size. This cut in French cuisine is called Allumette. Lastly, we cut Allumette across to make the dice with the same sides. Next, let's mince an onion. Peel it keeping the root part as much as possible as it holds together onion layers. Cut in half from root to top. Then take 1/2 and make lengthwise cuts, keeping root and 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter untouched to keep onion half whole. More cuts you do, finer will be the result. Then make 1 or 2 horizontal cuts, depends on the size of the vegetable. Last step is to mince onion by cutting across. And if your knife is sharp, you wouldn't even have to cry. In the end, we'll cut orange into juicy fillets called orange supremes in culinary jargon. No skin, no membranes. Firstly, cut off top and bottom to make it more stable. Then with a paring knife, take out the skin while trying to keep as much flesh as possible. You can flip the fruit and remove whatever bits of skin left on it. What is left is to take out those supremes, and we can clearly see now how segments of citrus are. So just make incisions along membranes in each segment and take out juicy fillets. You can add it to fruit salad, ice cream, or any other dessert. So that was just a few precision cuts. If you like my video, come again. I'll show you more different vegetables and fruits. We'll cut into nice, beautiful precision cuts later on. See you guys in a bit. Ciao.